Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable function keys in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Whether you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11, the process is same. Function keys are basically used to adjust brightness, volume, Wi-Fi or keyboard backlight. So from F1 till F12 they are known as your function keys. So in order to enable or disable, you have to, the most reliable method is that you first have to go into the BIOS settings, and from the BIOS settings, you can enable or disable it. So in order to go into the BIOS settings, so I will go in the search bar and I will type reset this PC. I will type this and then I will go over here. I will click this, and after this there is an option called recovery option. Over here I will go in the restart. The moment I will click restart, my computer will go in the restart state and it will go in the BIOS settings. So let's just do it. Restart and click restart now. And look, my laptop is restarting at the moment. I just need to wait until this is done. Just wait, be patient. So from here onwards, I'm going to go in the troubleshoot, and then I will go in the advanced option, and then I will go in the firmware settings, and then I will click restart. Just do it. After this, I will go in the configuration, go in the configuration. So after this, I have to scroll down and I have to go over here in the option called hotkey mode. So you can have an option called hotkey mode, or you can have action key mode or function key behavior. These options are same. In my case, it is called hotkey mode. So let me just disable it. After this, once this is disabled, I'm going to press F10 key to save and exit. So press F10, and now I'm going to click yes. And again, my computer is going to be restarted. I just need to wait. So the restart is done and the function key is disabled. So the same process you will follow if you have to enable the function keys again. At the end, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.